Black Girl Scientist was born at age 5. A small, gangly creature with a supersonic squeal for a laugh, her spirit came to life on the back of an African elephant. Dumbo, she called him, carried her around the tent of the circus, her parents in the audience fearing for her life, while she knew that that moment would change hers forever. Black Girl Scientist was born at age 7 when she found a turtle in her backyard. Mr. Turtle, she named him, looked like a rock with legs, and moved slower than a college student in an 8 a.m. class. But she marveled at the strange little rock monster, proudly telling her classmates that she had found a terrapene Carolina, and annoying her parents with the constant questions of, "Can we keep him?" Spoiler alert, they did not let her keep him. Black Girl Scientist was born at age 11 when her younger cousin found her male and female dogs stuck together. Years of watching Animal Planet brought her to the conclusion that the dogs were mating. Knowing that they would need to make preparations for puppies, she went to her mom, looked her dead in the eye, and said, "Mom, you're going to be a grandmother." Mom still chuckles at that from time to time. Black Girl Scientist was born at age 16 in a high school biology class, where her counselor told her that maybe she wasn't smart enough for veterinary school, not even college. Black Girl Scientist knew that most scientists did not look like her, that her caramel skin and kinky hair were considered exotic, like the creatures she wanted to study, that others considered her a statistic rather than an asset. She knew that her life as a Black Girl Scientist would be regularly challenged due to the color of her skin, and that her strengths had to be 3 times as valuable as her white counterparts just to get her a seat at the table. Black Girl Scientist was born at age 21, when she realized that she was the only black body in all of her STEM classes. Feeling invisible and hypervisible at the same time, Black Girl Scientist wondered where the 2%ers went when they left the Ark, and how to shake off the feeling that her failures would now be that much more obvious to her white peers. Black Girl Scientist was born at age 23, when she learned that black women are the most educated individuals of the United States of America. She read stories of Alfreda Johnson Webb and Jane Hinton, the first Black Girl Scientists to become veterinarians. She met women dedicated to lifting as they climbed, reminding her that the success of her people could not be accomplished through division, but through the strength of umoja. She found Black Girl magic in Fanon, Gwen, Alicia, Natalie, Berenicia, steadily reminded that excellence comes in many shades of melanin. Black Girl Scientist has been reminded every day that she is black, girl, and scientist, that her very existence is not considered self-indulgence, but an act of political warfare, and that she will have nights where her doubts are as numerous as the stars in the sky and the hairs on her head. But she knows that ever since her moments with Dumbo, flying through the circus tent, her name as Black Girl Scientist has rung true. That her future of walking across the stage of her school with the very same mascot is not a coincidence. That her fears of applications, deadlines, and veterinary practicums are only growing pains. And her future, broader than a freshly shined stethoscope, is hers for the taking. The young girl, with eyes like firecrackers and a heart like a horse, knows that she has and forever will be Black Girl Scientist, through and through. Thank you.